Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this after dark clean with me. So today we are going to be cleaning pretty much my entire house after we were done eating dinner. It is not quite dark outside yet. With the summer months coming, it gets not dark until about like 8:30 here in Pennsylvania, and I'm usually in bed by that time or doing something for myself. So even though it is not dark outside, this is still an after dark clean with me. You're going to get tons of cleaning motivation, and I kind of go through like my cleaning routine every single night. I don't like go step by step. This is basically what I do on the nights that I do clean after dark, after my daughter is done eating dinner, bath time is done. At this time, she was up for I believe like half of this cleaning video, and I think I had put her down when I was like halfway through it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and get tons of cleaning motivation from it.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be
Loading the dishwasher after dinner time and like throughout the day has been something I've been doing all the time now. It's way better for me to have it loaded and then running throughout the nighttime, and then when I wake up in the morning while Evelyn is eating breakfast at the table, I go ahead and unload the dishwasher, and that like kind of starts my day, gets me motivated, it starts my routine so I don't like fall off track or anything. So let me know down in the comments if you guys do your dishes after dark or if you do them in the morning.
I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different. Like I'm brand new, less ignoring. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. 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 Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind. I am so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me.
So today is Saturday, May 9th. Yesterday, Friday, it is the Saturday before Mother's Day. Yesterday it snowed about an inch here in Pennsylvania. You guys, it's May 7th or May 8th. It snowed literally an inch. Today it snowed on and off all day. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 50 degrees on Mother's Day. Monday is supposed to be like 45. And I have no idea what is going on with everything right now in the world. This is insane. It has never, ever, ever been snowing in May in Pennsylvania since like I've been alive. I'm not sure if this is like a record-breaking history moment or something, but honestly insane that there was legit snow on the ground yesterday with it being May. It just blows my mind. Where you guys are from, let me know what the weather's like. Let me know if it's normal or if it's colder like it is here. So that stovetop cleaner that I was using, I said it in a few of my videos, it is from Lowe's, I believe, and it works really, really well to get all of those like water stains off of your stove. If you're like me, I always have the water like boiling on high, way too high in the pot. Like I always fill up the pots way too much, like they're almost full when I fill them up, and then I put the burner on high and it goes everywhere, and then it burns underneath the pot, and it's literally a mess. And I'm not even kidding, this happens every single time I cook. So I have that thing on hand ready to go every single night because there's every single time water stains all over my stove. So I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about these candles that I have here in this After Dark Clean With Me. These are from the company called Sonari Candle, and I have one here on my cooktop. I have one right to the left of it with the little planter that I have, and then one on my windowsill. And she reached out to me and sent me 3 candles to go ahead and try out for her and like kind of give her some feedback. But I wanted to go ahead and share them with you guys because they are the best candles, and I'm not just saying that because she sent them to me. I'm truly saying they are the best candles that I've ever had in my house. Like they top Bath and Body Works times 10. They literally make the entire house smell the way that they, the scent that they put off, instead of it just being like in the room. When they're like lit in my kitchen, I can smell them in my bedroom. I can smell them in my daughter's room, in the guest bathroom, in the playroom. It literally just makes my entire house smell so, so good. The one I was just burning was the one called Sorbetto, and it was a blood orange coconut vanilla bean. All of her candles are 100% organic. They are fragrance free. They are cruelty free. So many good things about these candles. They are, like I said, organic, so you're not worrying about burning all of those toxic fragrances in your house. I do a lot of oils as well, just because of candles being that way. But now that I have a candle company that's 100% organic, I'm absolutely in love. She also sent me the Aria, which is sweet tangerine and lavender, and then she sent me one called Sanam, and it's pomegranate and jasmine. I believe the Aria and the Sanam are named after her children, and she has a beautiful story behind her battling and beating breast cancer, and then she started this company. So I'm going to go ahead and link her company down below, her site and everything. You guys should definitely check out some of her candles because especially during this time being stuck at home, your house is so much better when it smells so nice. So I'll definitely go ahead and link that down below, and I absolutely love, love, love her candles. And this is real life again, guys, with my dog and my toddler. You guys know the drill. They're always in my videos running around behind me. That's just real life over here.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the
Both my dog and my daughter are pretty terrified of the vacuum. As you can tell, Rex keeps running away from it. Evelyn will come up to it, then she'll run away screaming. Sometimes she wants to help me and she'll like grab the pole and try to do it herself. But as you can see, like Rex runs into the room, runs back out, and it's just so funny as I'm vacuuming watching them like run and hide and then come back out, and it just makes vacuuming so much more funny in this house. But next I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up the couch. Nothing too crazy in here. I know you guys are probably judging me hard on my couch cushions. The white ones are snowflakes turned backwards. I still have yet to get couch pillows. I was looking at Target and I found a few. I think I might just bite the bullet and go ahead and order them. But like I said in my previous vlog, I'm trying not to spend too much money right now, especially because we just redid our dining room, which I will have that video coming up really soon, and I'm super excited about it. I cannot wait to share with you guys what we did in our laundry room. This was the current situation of my bedroom, and it typically looks like this at nighttime. This is when I do most of the folding for the laundry, and I'm sure like 90% of you guys can relate to this. I don't mind doing laundry. I just hate putting it away. Like, I'll sit there and fold this stuff all day long, but it'll sit in my closet for weeks and I'll just pull from that pile to get dressed. Like, I'm the worst at hanging stuff up. I'm the worst at putting things away. That's something I definitely need to work on and get better at. But let me know if you can relate and that I'm not the only one who does this. So watching this back, I filmed this probably 5 or 6 days ago, and it looks like Evelyn was still awake while I was cleaning. For some reason I thought I put her to bed, but clearly not, because she's still running around watching me clean, probably making messes behind me. I never clean her playroom until she's asleep. Like, our parents come over, like Joel's mom and my mom, and they're always cleaning the playroom, and then Evelyn comes out and she destroys it again, and they just look at me and I'm like, I told you guys, I told you this is why I do not clean it until she goes to bed, because she literally just messes things up. Kind of like myself right now, I'm making my bed just to climb back in it right when I'm done doing this cleaning video. It makes no sense, but I guess for this video I did it. I normally do not make my bed at nighttime. I'm not even sure why I did this in this video. I'm actually cracking up sitting here doing this voiceover right now. I guess for the point of the video and for some cleaning motivation, because I know a lot of people need motivation to clean their bed, but I'm actually laughing at myself right now that I did this at 8:30 at nighttime.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
That is going to do it for today's After Dark Clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this After Dark cleaning motivation. Right now I'm going to go ahead and do a little nighttime diffuse session here in my bedroom. I love diffusing at nighttime, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys all Thursday in my laundry room reveal video. I'm so excited to show you guys how I decorated the laundry room, because it is like a vision that came to life and I'm so excited about it, as you can tell. But I will see you guys then. I hope you guys all have a really good Tuesday. Bye guys.
Better, so much better.